cute. Bear. Bear. What are you doing? Ribbit. Ribbit. Come on, you were just doing it. You were ridiculous. Look at these faces. The drool. He's doing this. Look, I'm leaning over.
Bear, this is embarrassing. We can see your comb over. You're embarrassing yourself. Look at that wisp of hair in the top of the head. All right, Grampy hair, back it up.
Oh, tell me you got that. Now what? What is it now? What is it now? Huh? Oh, good. Get him standing up. You little boogie.
Bears. Bears.
Bear. Look at Papa.
Shake him around again.